Hey everybody, Steel City Outdoors here, trying to do some fall fishing. We're targeting crappie, some trophy panfish today, bluegills, warmouth, and green sunfish. Also the occasional largemouth. We got a nice spot here today, mossy covered. Reports are that this spot's been hitting pretty good, so we're hoping to give it a shot and put something together. Fishing's been tough lately, haven't been able to turn anything around, but we're hoping today's the change and then we can get on something. Alright, my man.
For the release.
There's a real nice one, Ryder. Ryder, there's a really nice one. Dude, that's a big one. Look at that one. Oh my. Look at that one. Yeah. Yeah.
Yeah! That's a nice one. That's a nice one. That's a real nice one. On the spinner. Look at that. That's a pretty one. Let me see, I'd say it's 4-pounder. 4-pounder, what do you think, guys?
About 3 1/4. I can't see it though. Too far away. Nothing on 4 though.
Sean. Hey, Sean. What is that? Largemouth. On the mini.
Nice. I'll take it. All right, buddy. See you next time.
I missed that last one. Such nice fish. There we go. There we go, Ryder. I got him. Under the boat. Under the boat, bud. Under the boat. There's a nice one. There's a nice one. Yeah.
Yeah. Hey, we'll take that any day.
Ready for the release?
Nice. See you next time, my friend.
There he is, Ryder.
Not huge, but we'll take it. Nice. See you next time, buddy.
Oh! I saw him hit it. Small one, but it was an interesting strike, you know what I mean? I got to see the hit. Look how little he is. Little baby. Huh? That's a little baby. Boat's pulling us. Oh, it felt bigger because, you know, the boat was pulling, you know? You got that other camera on? Hands camera? Because I don't know.
Boat's pulling us. Oh, it felt bigger because, you know, the boat was pulling, you know? You got that other camera on? Hands camera? Because I don't know.
I got this one on.
Spinnerbait crazy tonight. Not bad. Getting enough fish for the Steel City Outdoor crew to eat a family dinner.
Ah! They're hitting like crazy in the Steel City! Oh! We are having a good old time! This is our second biggest one of the night right here, everybody! Oh my! Oh! 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 I'm excited! I'm pumped up! Yeah!
Man! Yeah, baby! Oh, is that a thick one? Look at that! Steel City rocking! Oh, that's huge! Alright, I gotta settle down. I'm too pumped up right now. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. That is a behemoth! Look at that thing! Oh! Oh, the pure energy I have right now. Oh my gosh. Look. Oh. All right, let's get a scale on it. We need to get All right, everybody, so we switched up. We've been catching fish now for the last hour on this Strike King blood-skirted spinnerbait. This is a size 5 blade we got on there. It's a big willow. Our Colorado doesn't even, look at the color on that. It's been so old and rusted that it's not even flashing. The only one that's going is the willow right now. That Colorado is completely bronzed out. We're real excited because we're catching some nice bass here. We just got a 4.5 pounder in the boat, definitely 20 to 21 inches. So we just wanted to show you our new lure right there and what's been getting hit. Check it out. Strike King Master, that's the blood skirt, guys. Make sure you get it.
Nice one. Really nice one. Real nice one. Ryder, paddle forward. Oh, no, I got him off the log. I got him under the log. Oh, it's a nice one. Under the log. Oh, yeah, doggy. Yeah.
We're getting them on every cast. Oh my gosh. Oh, that's a 3-pounder right there. Goodness gracious, we are starting to get into him. Look at that bad boy. He's been eating bluegill all night. Look at that. Woo-wee! Yeah, baby. Steel City. Nice. All right, we'll see you next time, my man.